Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. We are on Bing's AI image generator, and I'm going to show you all the roundabouts of creating images right over here. So let's get going. The first thing I want to show you how to do is go ahead and at the top you want to log in. So if you have not yet logged in, you can just do so, and you'll use a Microsoft account. Once you have, you're in here. Now what you can do basically in over here is you have the opportunity to enter in a command. So it says want to see how images creator works, and you can select surprise me and then create. So what we can do over here, the first thing is on the right hand side you can see that there is a surprise me tab. Now once you tap on that, basically what it does is it creates a random command. So it says colorful splashes of paint, geometric abstract art, and you're going to go ahead and tap on create. Now it's going to create an image over here, or 4 images. So now once that is created, you can see, just having a look at the interface on the right hand side, it'll show you all your recent works, and then you can just tap on the hide failed or not, so you can actually see what commands actually worked or not. So you can see over here, this is what was generated, and on the right hand side you can see that these images actually take some of these credits. So once you have sort of gotten an idea of what you want to create, you can go ahead now and actually just type in something of your own instead of using the surprise me tab. So we're going ahead and we want to see a shark flying a helicopter. You can either tap enter or you can tap on create. Now some of the things that you can add in here is some details, such as the style. So you can change like the way it looks. So you can say animated, you can say abstract, you can say oil painting, and it'll give you your images in that style. You can see now over here, because I did not actually specify any type of style, we have a couple images here, and I think they're pretty cool. They're pretty accurate. If you go over to the top right hand side of every image, you can see that there is a little icon. You can save it to your collections. You can save the image to your device as well. So there you go, you can now create images for free. One extra feature is the explore ideas. Here you can get some inspiration from the community. You can have a look at all of these images. You can go ahead and actually, if you click on an image, for example, I've clicked on this one over here, you can actually open up that image. You can see its full command. You can go ahead and say copy. You can go out of here again, go back to your image generator, and you can paste it in over here. And once you've pasted it in over here, you can now alter it to be exactly what you want it to be. So you can change 1 or 2 details of the command, and you can make it completely your own. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Cheers.